Guess who I bumped into?
Hello!
It's Neil from Retro Man Cave, and we came to Dodington Parish Hall because there's an Amiga convention on.
Amiga! It's swag.
It really is.
South West Amiga Group. It is. There's lots of swag in there, but it's called swag. The South West Amiga Group. They're normally based in Swindon, but this is like their bigger gathering, their annual gathering. So they've hired this hall in Dodington. I've never been here before. In fact, I've never been to swag before.
Tell us, what have they got in here then, Neil?
The Amiga 1000, we got 1500s, 2000s, CD32s, and then there's an Amiga kit, Ami kit, and a couple of other companies with modern Amigas, their modern interpretation. So every type of Amiga you can think of is in there. It's great.
And on top of that, they've also got people in there getting into the technical detail, doing the engineering work, like recapping the boards, doing builds, and doing repairs on monitors. It's fantastic. Yeah. So these guys are based in the southwest of the UK. So if you're in or visiting the southwest of the UK, definitely worth popping onto their Facebook page, having a quick look, see where they're going to be next. You never know, it might be somewhere close to you. You might want to pop in and check them out. Alright, thanks for watching. Cheers people. Subscribe and all that kind of stuff. It is YouTube.
Hello.
Oh, that's nice, isn't it? We get a red light. Hello. Hello. Guess alright, we can do a few takes at it. But so guess who I bumped into?
Me? Do that again.
The retro.
Start again.
Guess who I bumped into?
Hello.
It's the Retro Caveman.
Close. Retro Man Cave. Just call me Neil. Close enough.
I'm big
Today-
enough. I'm big enough. Let's start again.
Start again.
We'll use that in the outtake. Ow!